Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. I'm very happy to see you here today. Today, I have a fun and simple story for you. But this is not just a story. It's also a great way to practice your English. What is the goal of this video? The goal is to help you practice your listening skills. If you want to improve your pronunciation and speaking, you can try shadowing with me. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen and repeat what I say. First, listen to the story. Pay attention to my pronunciation. Next, listen again and read the text on the screen. Then, try to repeat after me. Copy my pronunciation, my speed, and my tone. You can pause the video after each sentence and say it out loud. Don't be afraid. Practice speaking with me. What is today's story about? Today's story is about a girl named Sarah. She is traveling, alone for the first time. She feels excited because she is going to California to visit her grandmother. Everything is good, but then something funny and a little embarrassing happens. What do you think it is? Let's find out together. Are you ready? Let's start.
This story starts a few hours ago. I arrived in California today. I'm visiting my grandmother. I feel happy, but also very tired. The flight was long. I just want to go to my hotel and rest. I take a taxi to the hotel. The driver asks, "First time, in California?" I nod and say, "Yes, I came to visit my grandmother." He smiles and says, "That's nice. Enjoy your trip." I smile back. Finally, I arrive at the hotel. I check in, take my room key, and go to the elevator. But then, I feel something. A small problem. I need to use the restroom. I see a sign that says restrooms. Perfect. I walk down the hallway. There are two doors. One says men, and the other says women. I'm about to open the door when my phone buzzes. It's a message from my grandmother. "Hi, sweetie. Are you at the hotel? Call me when you can. Love you." I smile. I feel happy, but also a little distracted. Without thinking, I push the door open and step inside. It is very quiet. Too quiet. I see sinks, mirrors, and hand dryers. Everything looks normal. I take a step forward. Then I hear a voice. A deep voice. A man's voice. "Excuse me, miss?" My heart stops. My body freezes. I turn around slowly. A man is standing near the sink. He looks confused. I look at him. I look around the room. And then, I see the sign. Men's restroom! Panic! My face turns red. My hands feel cold. I'm sorry, I say quickly. I turn around and run out of the restroom. I almost crash into someone. It's the hotel receptionist. She looks at me and asks, "Are you okay?" I nod fast and say, "Yes, I'm fine. Everything is great." She smiles. "Okay, enjoy your stay." I walk away quickly. My heart is still racing. My legs are shaking. I tell myself, "Okay, Sarah, just go to the right restroom this time." I check the UC sign 3 times before opening the door. Yes. Women. I go in carefully. No men, no mistakes. Perfect. I wash my hands and look in the mirror. My face is still red. I laugh a little and whisper, "That was so embarrassing." But at least no one else saw it, or so I think. I step out of the restroom and I see him, the man from the men's restroom. He sees me and smiles. I panic. Oh no, not again. He walks toward me and says, Hey, don't worry. It happens all the time. Laugh nervously. Yeah, thanks. Then he looks at my backpack and says, your backpack is open. I look down and see it. My wallet, my phone, my hotel key. They are about to fall out. I quickly zip it up. Oh, wow. Thank you. He smiles and says, no problem. Have a good day. I nod and say, you too. I walk away fast. Very fast. I reach the elevator and press the button. The doors open. I step inside. Finally, I can relax. But then, a hand stops the doors. The doors open again. And it's him. The same guy. He stands next to me, calm and relaxed. I try not to look at him. The elevator moves up. Silence. Awkward. He presses a button. Floor 4, he says. I look at my key. Oh no! My room is also on the 4th floor. The elevator stops. The doors open. I step out quickly and say, okay, bye. Have a great night. He laughs. You too. I rush down the hallway, find my room, and step inside. I close the door behind. Me finally safe? I sit on the bed and sigh. What a day. Later that night, I call my grandmother. Hi, Grandma, I say. She smiles through the phone. Hi, sweetie. How was your day? I take a deep breath and say, well, I made a little mistake. I tell her everything. She listens carefully. Then she starts laughing and laughing. Oh, Sarah, she says between laughs. You need to slow down and pay attention. I laugh too. She is right. That day, I learned 2 important lessons. First, always check before you enter a door. Second, don't rush. When you move too fast, you might make mistakes, and someone might be there to see it. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more fun and easy stories to practice your English. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.